This is a quick video to explain the different type of search results that are generally returned when using the Google search engine. In some cases, you will have what we refer to as the sponsored links, also known as Google Ads. You will notice if you look closely, the word sponsored is displayed above or next to these ads. You will then have what is referred to as Google Maps, also known as Google My Business results, followed by the organic listings or organic search results. These are companies' websites. In some cases, you will also have an AI review. As you can see here, when doing a search at Google, we have the sponsored results. Please keep in mind the sponsored results are not always shown depending on the search or the search term that is being done. We still have the maps and organic search results, but in this case we have an AI result using Google's own AI called Gemini, returning further information, in this case regarding the search that we have done, with some general information and links to companies that provide this service. If you're wanting to learn more on how to best search optimize your website, I've created a Search Engine Optimization Academy with easy to follow video tutorials and further information on how to best optimize and implement these optimization techniques onto your website to generate the best possible search results for your business today.